Hello my dear friends, in this video we will see a Python program which will check whether a string is palindrome or not. Let's start the video. First of all, what is palindrome string? If we read any string from left to right and it is same as if we read the same string from right to left, that means the string and the reverse of that string is same, that means string is palindrome. For example, wow. If I read this wow from left to right, it is wow. If again I read this string from right to left, it is now also wow. That means wow is palindrome string. Now we will see it with a Python program. For this, we will do program in 4 steps. In first step, we will take a string as input. It may be a user input. In second step, we will reverse the string. In third step, we will check the input string to reverse of that string. On the basis of third step, we will print the result in the final step. Let's see our code. Before starting our main code, here I want to discuss a trick, and this trick will be used to reverse the string. Let me take a string. I am assigning this to a variable. Let's say variable is a and the string is concept. Concept booster is my channel name, guys. That's why I am using concept. Okay. We know we can perform indexing for the string. How we can do indexing? See guys, we have a string that is concept. We can have indexing like this, starting from 0 to 6. For C, index is 0. For O, index is 1. For N, index is 2. For C, index is 3. For E, index is 4. And for P, index is 5. And for T, index is 6. We can also perform indexing like this. We can use negative numbers. And when we use negative numbers for indexing, it will start from right to left. That means for T, index will be -1. For P, index is -2. For E, index is -3. For C, index is -4. For N, index is -5. And for O, index is -6. For C, index is -7. So by using this indexing, we can perform slicing. How? See, I am using print function. And I want to print only CON. I do not want to print whole string. I want to print only CON. For this, I am using slicing. How can I perform slicing? I can perform slicing like this, and I have to give 3 arguments. First argument is the initial value. Second argument is the final value, and third argument is the steps or the value by which we have to jump to the next value. For example, as I want to print CON, in this case, what is my initial index? Initial index is 0 for C. So initial value for slicing will be 0. What will be the final value? As I want to print till N, index value of C is 0, index value of O is 1, index value of ON is 2. But I have to give the final point as 3. Why? Because final step is excluded in slicing. That's why I am using 3, because it will go till 3 minus 1, that is it will go till 2, and at last third argument is the step by which it jump to the next value. Let me print this. Now you can see guys, it is printing only CON. If I am not using step, by default step will be 1. Let me run this code again. You can see again the output is CON. So by default step is 1. If I use step 2 and I am taking now final value 4, now when I run this code, you can see it is printing only CN. Why? First it is printing initial value, that is index of the C, and then it will jump by 2, that means 0 1. It will jump by 2 and then it will go to N. It will print N and then it will again jump, but 4 is our last index, that's why it is printing only C and N. Guys, I can also use negative index to print the string. In this case, what is our negative indexing? For C, index is -7, for N, index is -5, and if I want to print CON, for this I have to take -7 as initial value, -4 as final value. Why? Because last value is not included in slicing. That's why if I take -4 as last value, it will go till -5. So initial value -7, last value -4, and by default it will take step as 1. When I run this code, you can see it is now also printing CON. Now I am taking -1 as initial value, -7 as final value, and step as -1. And when I run this code, our output is TPECNO. And why it is printing till O? Why it is not printing this C? Because I took -7 as last value. For this, what can I do? I have to give -8. And when I run this code again, you can see now it is printing till C. TPECNOC. Also, you can do one thing here, guys. Instead of writing -1 and -8 as initial and final value, you can just use only step as -1. And when I run this code, you can see it is also printing from last to first, that is TPECNOC. And you can see our string has reversed. This is a good trick to reverse a string. You can see in just 2 lines of code we have reversed our string. Okay. Now I am going to write our actual code for palindrome string. For this, I am taking same string, that is concept, and I am assigning this string to a variable a. And we know in the next step in the second step we have to reverse our string. For this we will use our trick. So let me apply trick. A -1 as initial value, -8 as final value, and -1 as step. Or you can remove -1 and -8. That means you can use only step, that is -1. It will also reverse our string. Okay. In the next step, I will check if A is equal to B. That means if our string is equal to reverse. If true, then I will print string is palindrome. If false, then I will use else statement, and in else statement I will print string is not palindrome. Let me run this code, and our output is string is not palindrome. Yes, concept is not a palindrome string because reverse of concept is TPECNOC, and which is not equal to concept. Let me take another example, and I am taking new string WOW and I am assigning it to A. And when I run this code, you can see our output is string is palindrome. We know wow is palindrome string. That means our program is working properly. So this is all in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. And you can join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description box. Thank you guys. Bye bye.